Hello guys, it's me again, Kenny from Sony Malaysia. Today I'm gonna unbox the Sony new product, XG500. So this XG500 comes with a built-in battery that can last up to 30 hours. Alright? And the XG500 also capable to use with the microphone. Yes, you can sing along. And also you can use your guitar to plug in. Yeah. And also you can play back your thumb drive. And this is IP66 rated, which you do not need to worry about dust, raindrops, water splash, right? It is very portable and it's very loud as well. If it is not loud enough, you can buy another one. They can pair together. So you can stereo pair left and right, or you can use the Party Connect. The Party Connect, you can pair them up to 100 devices. Isn't it great? So let's do the unboxing. Alright guys, it's me again. Now I'm gonna unbox the XG500 from Sony. Let's do it. First, front, open it up. Like this. Yeah. Have on the side this one. Open this. Oops. On the other side, we have instruction manual and the XG500. Yes. Oops. Let's cover up. Sorry. Okay. Let's put this aside first. Alright. So this one is actually the cable. They provide you a lot of countries. So we have Malaysia country, it's for China, UK, EU, right? Put it aside first. And the power bricks, right? For you to charge the XG500. So the XG500, another information for you, it supports quick charge capabilities. So 10 minutes of quick charge, it gives you 3 hours of playback time, right? Looking at the front, we have the power button, Bluetooth, play and pause, volume up, down, and a mega bass, also to activate the stamina mode on your batteries. Okay, so in the back, what we have is the charging ports and the Party Connect. You can connect this one to another Party Connect capable devices, right? Up to 100 units. And then we have two USB-A ports. So what we're gonna do with that is you can charge your mobile phone using the USB-A ports. Alright? You can have two mobile phone charged, or you can charge one mobile phone and at the same time you can play back the USB thumb drive on your music files, right? And also we have the battery care functions to protect your battery, and we have the lights button, right? So the battery care function is actually to protect your battery from aging very fast, right? And we have the guitar functions, right? The guitar buttons, when you press it, it will activate the guitar mode so that it will detect your guitar when you plug it in, right? So we only have one input for the mic, so you can choose it for guitar or mic, and there's a volume button here, right? And let's get this test out. Hello guys, it's me again. So now let's turn on the XG500 and test it out. I have turn it on. Yeah, there's a startup chime like this. I'm connected with my phone already. And let's play some of the music from Spotify. Right, so as you can see here, we have the beautiful lighting. Alright, so from your phone, you can download this demo app on the Visible app, you can adjust the lighting on your favorites. Yeah, so you can change the color. See? Yeah, this is how I change the colors on my phone. So I can use custom colors. This one, this one, this one. Yeah, you can see the colors change. Or we can use with DJ control isolator. This one you need to pump up the volume. Yeah. This is how we do it. Clanger. Or you can use custom equalizer. Pump up the bass, lower down the bass, pump the beat, lower down and pump up the high pitch of it, and we can go back to karaoke. So karaoke, you can notice the voice changer, echo, and the key control will be not available, right? So in order to make it available, you need to have a mic. Right? So after you plug in the mic, you will see the key control will be available. Right? So you can now use guide vocal or fader on. Fader on is very popular among our hearts. Is to cancel out the vocal from the music so that you can sing. And then key control is for you to adjust the key, echo. All of this you can adjust from here, or the voice changer. Right? Let's try the voice changer.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. Hello. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3.
Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Hello, this is the announcement. Hello, announcement of the new Sony speakers.
Right, this is how fun it is using these portable speakers. You can bring it around, right? Then next you will have your party playlist, party light, voice control. A lot of functions you will found. It is found on the Visible app. Alright, and also we have our Music Centre app. So you use the Music Centre, it will detect the XG500 as well. So you can know the battery, or you can use the battery button on the back.
Battery care mode. Fully charged. Battery about 90%.
Yep, it will tell you the battery care mode is on and it is fully charged. Yes, it is 90%, right? And next, you will have all your functions available on the Music Centre app, like your library songs you can play, and you can launch Visible from here, or audio in, USB mode, and the Spotify as well, or Tidal if you have one, right? And settings, you can see the lighting mode, or power options, sound options, a lot of settings that you can customize from the Music Centre apps. So guys, if you do not have the Music Centre apps and the Visible app, please download it from the Google Play Store, or you are using iOS devices, go to the App Store to download it. Alright guys, this is all my video today. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.